no biejete ndekari thirikari kuneka kinyankoroki kere mirandi ya wetina mbere riboti tukwambirwo ni mwandiki ndeto wetu Muthuri Muriuki.
Neonto Ruto nonere ibwega atunenkere giti giki kia makamu wa rais itukumuromba akanegotiate na kiama kingi na karia kindiki neonto na kuona kuma kujukia kindiki nonete kinya thiri na netite akionaga kindiki na umukari na kinya miru iba umukaria na batu turi antu aja tugwituma mko mpya turenda gukarana itukaritie kindiki na rais neonto bwa kwithirwa batu itugwiritwe turi amiru kwithirwa tunenkeri gitigi kikia makamu wa rais no ntu twire na antu banene mono no twokinyira antu au twire na bakira twire na ba kabere twire na bamunya lakini murungu athirwa ro kurigaria atwa mwana wetu gwitwa kindiki ethirwa ari makamu wa rais
atitore akaliba meru inkatho inge tucokia nuntu itureteri munini wa rais jawe kindiki na iketumio kona tugwiritwe gorobo bwana arua tukija kuibwaga kiri anene betu
kiongozi ageretie uchokaniria Mount Kenya kiongozi ageretie kuthondeka dietwara rais ndene Emiro County badu kintu kira tumbigia kwira rais kinene mono itukona antu baba inge itukona kuna baraba kuiba kwenda gitikiu kana naibu wa rais badu turenda kwira rais atiri badu rais bura professor kindiki otethetie hakikisha umuwatila na atu tuwe kuwatila igana
Mutongeria wa nthiguru ya Kenya Daktari William Ruto ndukwenarwa mathaine jarukire na kujeri Kenya Daktari William Ruto ndukwenarwa mathaine jarukire na kujerite gwikirwa kirore witikaniria bwa kunenkaniria na mugambo Jochomba leasing ya arena ya Kinande niyo Modern Arena na Entertainment District kirore gikiri garoni ya Rais Mushine munene jwa Nairobi.
Arena that we are looking at is really part of the vibe of the city. This city is not just the buildings and the infrastructure, it's the people. Nairobi has a vibe, Nairobi has a sound, Nairobi has a spirit. And this arena that will bring in basketball, events, functions, is at the right heart of our region.
In the sports fraternity, we want to welcome this project because sports, as already said, is not just fun, but it is a whole ecosystem which inspires the different economic units. And therefore, the arena that will be starting soon will provide an opportunity. You know, basketball is one of the disciplines that has not received very good attention in terms of investment. However, it has a lot of funds, and it is a whole ecosystem, and therefore we are very glad that the youth of this country will have a facility which will not just be for sports, but will also position Nairobi and Kenya as a truly strategic location for investment.
The partnership between Kenya Railways Corporation and Zaria Group reflects a shared understanding that strategic urban infrastructure, particularly in sports, entertainment, and culture, is a critical driver of modern economic growth. Through this agreement, we are establishing a new development anchor within the Nairobi city, a modern multi-purpose arena and an integrated entertainment district that will host international events, support our creative industries, and expand Nairobi's global footprint. This initiative would drive the renewal of Nairobi's central business district. We envisioned the underutilized land into a dynamic, mixed-use urban district that integrates transport, commerce, culture, sports, and public life. In doing so, we would restore Nairobi's central business district as a space that functions beyond the limits of the traditional workday, supporting a vibrant, safe, and productive 24-hour economy.
And you can turn it around.
John Mwenja
Mwarimu munene wa cukuru ya Ngaini Primary Ntere cia Tharaka nonanĩtie ũgua bwa kũhingwo gwa cukuru ĩu. Ariuga kwithirwa gutina irasi bia JSS nĩ bũtũmĩte aciari babaingĩ bakathamithia ana bao cukuru ingĩ iria ciĩna irasi bia JSS. Ariuga mũnabo na aranĩrĩtie na mũkabu ũmwe Ntere ĩu ũrĩa ũkabatetheria kuona irasi bia Junior Secondary. Riboti ĩthuranĩri nĩ Makena wa Mbabu.
John Mwenja ũrĩa nĩ mwarimu munene cukuru ya Ngaini Primary nĩ augĩte cukuru ĩno nĩ ĩmwe ya cukuru iria jatigĩrwo itiandĩkithĩtio na Junior Secondary, arĩa atarĩrĩtie nginya aciari kũthamia ana bao cukuru ĩno nĩ ũndũ bwa kwaga JSS.
Arĩ ĩmwe ya cukuru iria jatigĩrĩtwo itarĩ na Junior Secondary nĩ ũndũ bwa thĩna ya registration of RAD. It was registered ta Ngaini Training Center, lakini through effort ya Bishop Mwathi na bange babatetherie itombie kugwata registration ya cukuru yatuĩka Ngaini Junior Secondary School. Kwetha kwena thĩna mũno nonto aciari na ani bathijaga bakoma cukuru baka cukuru ĩrĩa nonto cukuru tena Junior Secondary yonekaga aciari atikwana kuthomithia cukuru chiri.
Akiaria Bishop Nicholas Mwathi kana Kanugu nyuma ya gutethereria cukuru ĩno kugwata JSS nĩameneretie baria kuga barendaga kuthiria cukuru ĩno, aria augĩte agatigira nĩ agũkũria cukuru cia Kariga.
Cukuru ĩno kuri antu bae na mubango wa kuria kiwanja iki na tiba Ngaini na antu banene na bathomu bamwe bathure, lakini no Bishop Kanugu no ntetomera intobiere gutwakire mani Nkaromba ndenda mande goronka thogane bwanka rothera wana incinga yambera jokyo baire kwa randi othingatie maratati momonde taiture ereto cukuru twekere nje stand anto betho bena Junior Secondary School ndienda kuthondeka Ngaini Mutonga Nyakinjero Gacheraka cukuru cionthe cheche Kariga woni ngacithondeka ciara mere cenjo marieto cieto Bishop Kanugu.
Kanugu nĩ augĩte agwata gĩtĩ kĩrĩa kũromba gatigira kũrutĩra antu wĩra.
Ndenda kumukaria nkiromba Ngai na iketo mukona mukwayo ti mukwayo ino Biblia ndogona ino Biblia ya onchoka chokagia ndona tobia to chakariga wondi bantondea Biblia ino kandirikanagia waroma kanya mukaitho kathi wankoma no kabea tugeretie namba twageria na rogi twageria na uragani twageria na antu wa mithemba twageria na KDF bakinyo CDM askari igitere butigeria na Bishop toneka tugachenja.
Aciari ba cukuru ĩno nĩ batarĩrĩtie nginya nĩ bandamanĩte nĩ ũndũ bwa cukuru ĩno bakienda kunengerwa JSS.
Mire tuthige tuthiete cia Kariga twikinya tuthiete kwandamana no nto Junior twikinya no atuthingata ngatho cia mwanya muno nkera Bishop bwega.
Kiripotera Weru TV kuma Tharaka Mbita Makena wa Mbabu.
Riboti ĩu ya Makena wa Mbabu nĩ gũtonera kanya ga kũnogoka mũtegeri wa Weru TV ũkaumagaruka mũtambo nĩ tũgacokera nyuma ya kagita gatekũranja na Nteto Nkoroki.